This was the first episode of the Thailand series. Now let's begin with episode 2, which is Surat, Thani. We began this trip by taking a flight from Shanghai to Bangkok and then Bangkok to Surat, Thani, as there are no direct flights between Shanghai and Surat, Thani. So we began the boarding process in due time and then our flight took off from the Bangkok airport. We reached Surat, Thani by late evening and then went to the local street food restaurants, had a meal there and wrapped up quickly to get to bed, as next morning was our exciting boat trip to Cheow Lan Lake or Ratchaprabha Dam, the only reason why we came to this place. Our minivan arrived and we were dropped off to the pier. Our national park entrance fees were around 340 Thai baht, which was covered in this pre-booking. Our boat ride began in a long-tail boat, and watching the limestone cliffs towering over us felt like we were part of the Avatar movie. We were then handed over flashlights as it was pitch dark inside and were taken into these caves. Inside, there were stalactites and stalagmites, and I was struggling to walk around as I didn't wear appropriate footwear here. It was quite slippery. After the cave adventures, we were taken for a jungle trek, about 1 kilometer, and we saw an ant hill. And then I had fun time swinging using the roots of the banyan tree.
Yep.
We finished our jungle trip and headed back to the boat. It was another half an hour till we reached the floating bungalows. The story of this dam goes back to 1982 and 1987, when southern Thailand required power supply and entire villages got relocated. Today, beneath this man-made lake's emerald waters lie submerged homes, schools and temples, and is spread over 185 kilometers. And this was the lunch we had there. We were given 2 hours of time to have some fun in the lake, so I went swimming and later kayaking. The peace that we felt kayaking in this emerald lake with the dense forest was soothing. After about half an hour of kayaking, we got back to the floating bungalows and had to say our goodbyes to this place. Well, that's how this trip ended in Cheow Lan Lake, and so did this episode. The next episode is in Krabi, where I went for my long awaited dive and street food.